I'm back, and I'm here with some chicken legs, because you know why? You need to know how to cut these chicken legs, and we're gonna use this handy dandy cleaver. The cleaver that is super strong, super durable, super heavy, nice balance to it. You want something sharp, so we're gonna sharpen this guy up just a couple of things. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll wipe it off real quick. We wanna separate the thigh from the drumstick. How do we do that? We go right down here, and we just slice nice and easy. See how easy that is? Oh, boom, so easy. It helps to have a really, really, really sharp knife, okay? If you've ever done this with a dull knife, you know what I'm talking about. You just go right down there, boom. Super easy. I'll show you one other way to do it too. This is the fun way. You just chop right through like that. Bam! You got yourself some chicken legs, you got some thighs, you got it all broken up. So those who like the legs, drumsticks, and who likes the thighs, it's all good. So here we got the knife, we got the cleaver. This is the ultimate Dad's That Cook cleaver, and I'm gonna show you here next, in this next video, how to slice up a pineapple, because pineapple goes perfect with chicken. So make sure you check out the video on the pineapple, and I'll show you how to slice it up.